What's going on, guys? Jin here. Firstly, I'd like to apologize for the lack of video last week. I was pretty busy with uni, so hopefully this week's workout won't disappoint you guys. Today I have a shoulder workout. I didn't have much time to train because the gym was closing pretty soon, so I had to stretch out really quick and get to the workout. So here's a few things I like to do to get my shoulders ready and warmed up before I bash the living shit out of them. So after stretching out and loosening up my shoulders feel good, I go on to my main movement, which is the overhead press, and start doing some warm-up sets. So here are a few of my warm-up sets, and you can see how I warm up and get ready for my working sets. After warming up, this is my first set of 80 kilos or 30 kilos each side. As you can see, the freaking grinder. It was hard as balls, to be honest. I had to catch my breath after every single rep. And here's my second set. I get myself really hyped, and it went a little bit smoother than the first one, I would say. But I'm pretty quick, so I didn't have to hold my breath for quite a while, which made it a bit easier. But this third set, as you will see, I grinded there for about 2 to 3 seconds. My gym partner almost wanted to come and help me, but he saw it going up, so he just backed off. And as you can see from the video, my gym partner just applauding the grind show. Here comes the fourth set. This one was not good and was not that bad either, so I don't have much to say about this set. I just felt a bit dizzy after the rep, but it's all good. And to my last and final set, my fifth set, I tried to push as hard as I can because by now I'm pretty freaking exhausted. I almost didn't get that rep, but I got it. And I got pretty dizzy and I was about to faint, so I just took a seat before collapsing and causing a scene. But you know, everything's good in the end. So after my main lifts, I do some accessory movements or bodybuilding type style movements to, you know, get some hypertrophy work in and build some muscle to, you know, hold in that strength. So this is what I do, and enjoy, guys. And for my final workout, I just ended it with some face pulls. I usually rotate this with rear delt cable flies or rear delt dumbbell flies every week. So those are some of the options that you guys might consider. And that's pretty much my shoulder / overhead press workout. Hope you guys enjoy my voiceover video, my first ever voiceover video. And I'll see you guys next week, and I promise to stay as consistent as I can. Bye.